Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to talk about some Swiss Beauty products that I have picked up. So I do have some pigments, some liquid eyeshadows and their lip pencils. So if this is something that you're interested in, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I have total 7 liquid eyeshadows from Swiss Beauty and they do retail for 199 each. So I did pick up all of these from Nykaa. I originally had just two shades. I had like this silver shade which is called Diamond Dust. I had this steel grey color called Smoky Storm. So these were the two shades I had which I picked up, and then I bought the rest later because I was very impressed with these liquid eyeshadows. They're so easy to use. You just apply it on your eyes and you're done. So yeah, I'm just going to swatch these first and then I'm going to give a quick review on these. Alright, so with these liquid eyeshadows, the only thing I can say is that you need to have a base. So I would recommend you to have an eyeshadow base. So you do your eyeshadow application and you can then use this just to amp up your look so that it has that really nice glittery look. And this lasts for a very long time. I remember using it on one of my friend who got married and it lasted the entire day from morning to evening. I've used it on myself as well and it does last you a very long time. So yes, it is definitely a really good product. I would recommend you to buy it whether you are a makeup artist or no. I think this is definitely you need to have this in your kit because it's so easy. You just take and swipe it on your eye. But one thing I need to add is that you need to work with this in layers. So you just go with really thin layers and then you get the best effect. So you put a really thin layer, let it dry, and then go on with another layer on top, and then only it gives you that maximum effect and looks really good. Especially in pictures it looks fantastic. The next thing I have is eyeshadow pigments. Now I had purchased two eyeshadow pigments from Swiss Beauty. So I had picked up these two shades which was 02 and 03, and I really liked it a lot. Then they changed the packaging, so earlier it was like this and now the packaging is like this. The only thing different with the older packaging compared to the new one is that it had like a sifter in when you open it, so it's kind of a little more less messier. I got a really good deal and I bought this eyeshadow pigments from purple.com because there was an offer going on, so I picked it up from there and I'm just going to show you some swatches of these right now. So those were the swatches of the pigments. So I just want to tell you how you can use eyeshadow pigments for those of you who don't know how to use them. So the one option that you can use, yes, you can definitely use a wet brush and then pick up the product, or you can mix it with water and put it, that's fine. But I personally love using either one of these. So this is the Inglot Duraline So you just need like the most tiniest drop of this, because this particular product is a lifesaver. I use it for my gel eyeliners, and it literally comes back to life, when it's completely dried out. So I do use, you can use this, the Inglot Duraline, mix it with little pigment just on your palette, and you can just apply it on your eye. You can you can draw an eyeliner, or you can just put all over your lid. I most of the time I use this. So this is the pack. It's a so this is a glitter primer from pack, and this also you need the most tiniest drop, like just one drop, and you just apply it on your eyelid, and then you go on with the pigment. Now with these eyeshadow pigments, definitely it is more messier, but the result is beautiful, right? I'm wearing one right now. So I am wearing an eyeshadow pigment right now, which is the shade 06. It's a nice rose gold shade, so I'll put that on my eye right now. So if you're thinking like which one would suit you better, whether it is the pigment or the liquid eyeshadows, so honestly I would I cannot uh, pick between either, because I love both. But yes, I feel this will be more travel friendly. It'll be more convenient and more easier to use on your eyes rather than this becomes a little more messier, so you need to be more patient with this. But yes, this will be like quicker. You can just swipe it on your eye, like I said. So this will be more quicker than this. Plus this will not give you any fallout. This, you do get fallout under the eye, so you need to be careful with the pigments. And now coming out to the last thing, these are the lip pencils from Swiss Beauty. So they do come in this tin with the 12 lip liners, and you do get this on, I've seen this available on Amazon, on Flipkart, on Nykaa. So I picked mine from Amazon, and it does have a variety of colors. As you can see, it has like everything from reds to pinks, nudes, brown, purples, everything. So let me just swatch some of these for you, so you can have an idea how it looks. Alright, so those were the swatches of the lip liners. Now, one thing I have to say is that these lip liners are very pigmented, and they do last on your lips for a really long time. So even if you use this as a base, you apply it on your entire lid, and then you go on with your lipstick application. Even if your lipstick kind of fades out, this will still stay on your lips, so it doesn't look uneven. So yeah, I mean, it is a good deal. And if you are a makeup artist, I think this is a good option for you. It'll just add to your makeup kit. It will be good for you. It'll just help you to cater to more colors, when depending on your client. So yeah, that was today's video, and I hope to see you soon for the next one. I'm also more active on Instagram, so I will mention my Instagram handle below, so you can follow me there. And anyways, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.